In this video, let us see an interesting problem, that is print the rectangular area by using length and breadth. So we are just reading inputs for length and breadth and just we are finding the area. How do we find the area? Area is nothing but area of rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. So length into breadth. How do we find it? So first thing, I need to read length data and breadth data. To store those data and to find the area, I need variables, right? To store length, I'm using a variable named length. To read input data, I just use input function to read the input data. But whatever the data I read, I need in integer format. By default, input function is used to read string data. We just need to convert it into integer so that we get the integer data. Now, in similar way, I'd like to read breadth. So to read the breadth also, I just use input function to read the string and just convert that string data into integer by using int type converter. To print the area, I just write like length into breadth. That's it, very simple. So let us run and check whether it is executing correctly or not. Let me provide first test case 1 and 2. You can see the area is 2. Yeah, exactly whatever we think, like that the output we got. Then another test case, let us execute and see 3 and 2. You can see the area is 6. Yeah, we exactly find the solution of how to find the area of rectangle by using Python. So I hope this video is more understandable to you. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. If you like the video, please comment so that I'm interested to make more videos. Thanks for watching again. Must practice to get DSA series by your own and able to solve the exam. Thanks for watching again.